Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel Prime to Program. Today we will discuss about logical operators in C. In previous session we discussed about relational operators and the different types of relational operator, and today we will discuss about logical operators in C. So logical operators is essential topic for C programming, for learning C programming. So today we will diving into it. So let's break into it. What are logical operators? Logical operators in C allow us to perform logical operators on Boolean expressions. They help us make decisions in program by evaluating conditions. So logical operators in C allow us to perform logical operations on Boolean expression. What is Boolean expression? Boolean expression is true or false or 0 and 1. So it allow us to perform logical operation on Boolean expression. They help us make decisions in programs by evaluating condition. So C has the main three types of logical operator. There is AND operator, returns true if both conditions are true, and returns it it gives true if both conditions are true. Then OR operator returns true if at least one condition is true. So if there is two input, then at least one condition is true, then it will give true. So in OR operator, it at least one condition is true. But in AND operator, if both conditions is true, then it will give true. In not operator is like the complement thing or the negation part. So it reverses the logical state of an expression. So in not operator, what happened? If input is 1, then it gives 0. If input is 0, it gives 1. So it is like a negation or complement. So next slide. So this is the truth table of explanation. There is a truth table. There is a truth table of AND operator, OR operator, and NOT operator. So we will discuss about. So there is a truth table of AND operator. So input is 2. There is 2 input and output is 1. So output will be 1 every time. After that, there is two inputs. So one input is 0, second input 0, and it will give 0. So AND operator is like a multiplication of every operator. So A into B. So in multiplication, we see what that we when we multiply anything with 0, it will give 0. So in this point, it is doing same. So 0 is 0 equal to 0. So A into B 0 0, which is 0. Then 0 1, which is 0. So it will give also 0. After that 1 0, it will give 0. Then 1 1, only 1 1 will give 1. So the main thing is in this topic that in AND operator, if to get a true value means 1. To get a true value from AND operator, all the operators should be true. So all the operators should be 1. And if there is one operator is 0, if when in an AND operator, if there one operator is 0, then it will give 0. So this is the main thing in AND operator. After that, we will go to OR operator. Then in OR operator, input two input and one output. So it is A plus B. So in class, we see what 0 plus 0 is 0, and 0 plus 1 is 1. So in the AND operator, we see that there is two input A and B. So in A, we give 0 and in B, give 0. So it will give 0. Only and only 0. So after that 0 and 1, it will give 1. 1 0, it will give 1. And 1 1, it will give 1. So in AND OR operator, what happened? If both the operand is 0, then it will give 0. If both the operand is 0, then it will give 0. But if any of the operator is 1, then it will give 1. So this is the main thing about OR operator. So I think you understand. And then NOT operator. NOT operator is like a negation or complement of any input. Like we give input as A 0, so it will give output as 1. So 1, it will give 0. It is like a negation or complement of any value. So next we will dive into the program, a program with AND operator, logical AND operator. So here I'm taking input like a equal to b, a equal to 5 or b equal to 10. After that, I am taking int result. So int result equal to a equal to b, which is the relational operator. After that, there we give logical operator, then b greater than a, which is also a relational operator. So after that, percentage d and then result. And we percentage d we give because we want the result as 1 and 0, 1 or 0. So we first we have to understand that with there we give relational operator and logical. There is two relational operator and one logical operator. So relational operator has higher precedence than logical operator. So at first we will solve relational operator. So 5 equal to 10, which is true or false. It is false. So after that we will do it is false, so it will give 0. After that we are going to b greater than a, sorry, which is false, so it will also give 0. So 0 and 0 in logical one, if one operator is 0, then one operator is 0, then it will give 0 as a result. So let's see the result, if it is giving 0 or not. Yeah, it is giving 0. So this is about logical operator. So let's check with another example. Like I'm giving here, like this is big expression. Sorry. A greater than, sorry, greater than 5. So what is the result? Let's first do dry run. There is 4 relational operator. One is greater than, one is not equal to, and then second is greater than, and third is also fourth is also greater than. So and after after every in every expression there is given that logical and operator. So we know that relational operator has higher precedence than logical operator, greater than 5. So 10 greater than 5 is what? 10 greater than 5 is true. It gives true. After that, b not equal to 10. So b not equal to 10. So b is what? 5. 5 not equal to 10, which is giving true because not equal to 10. So it's giving also 0. Sorry, it is giving also true because it's not equal to operator. B not equal to 10. So it's true. And b not equal to 45. So b greater than 45. So b is 5. So less than it is also giving 5 less than 45, which is also true. After that, a greater than 5, a is 10, then less than 5. So which is a is 10. So which is false. So it will give false because if there is 1 0 in AND operator, it will give 0 as output result. So let's see. Yeah, this is giving 0. But if we give there 45, then it will give 1. Yeah, because what? If all the operator, all the relational thing is giving 1, then it will give 1. So this is the main thing about AND operators. So after that we will go to the odd operator, logical odd operator. So in logical operator, what odd operator, what happens? So I'm deleting this. Yeah, there we I'm giving in I greater than b, then odd operator b equal to 4 equal to 6. Okay. So at first we have to check the relational operator, but because relational operator has higher precedence than logical operator, so 10 greater than 5. So in 10 greater than 5, we see that 10 is greater than 5. So it is giving 1 true. After that, b equal to 6. B equal to 6 is not true. It's false. It's giving false. So it will give only 1, because if any operand of the logical operator gives 1, then it will give 1. But if both operand is giving 0, then it will give 0. So let's run. The output of this expression will be 1. Let's check it. Yeah, it's giving 1. So let's check with another example like so let's check a less than b. So a is 10, then less than 5, greater than 5, which is false. So it's giving 0 and it's also giving 0. So let's check the output will be. So the output will be 0. So let's check it out. So output will be 0. Output is 0. So this is all about odd operator. So if any operand of the logical operator gives 0, it gives 1, then it will give 1. But if both operand is giving 0, then it will give 0. After that, we will go to logical not. Logical not, we also describe it in unary operator. Let's now describe it. So logical operator, what happened? If I'm giving there a expression like that, like check. So a greater than b, which is right. A is greater than b. 10 is greater than 5. So not 10 greater than 5. 10 is greater than 5 is true, but not 10 greater than 5 is false. So let's check with the result is giving 0, so false. So logical not operator is pretty easy, I think, because in logical not operator, it will just complement the input or negate the input. So it will give 1 for 0 and 0 for 1. So let me discuss all these operator with the help of a program. Like I'm giving there a expression. So the expression is a greater than b or b equal to 4. So a greater than b is giving what? 1. Because 10 greater than 5, it is true. So it is giving 1. B equal to 4. It is giving false because 5 is not equal to 4. So 1 and 0, it will give 0. Sorry, it will give 1. Why? Because there is odd operator. So if any one of the operand of the logical operator gives 1, then it will give 1. Yeah, the output is 1. Then let's check with another example. Like if we give here printf, what will happen? So there if we give one operator, so there if we give one AND operator, then it will print Shreya and 1. Why? Because the A greater than B is also 1, true. 10 greater than 5, which is true. 1, so it is giving 1, and then AND operator, then printf Shreya, which is other than not 0. So it will give Shreya and 1 as a result for AND operator. So after that, let's check with another example like this. If here I give A plus plus, then check what will happen. A greater than B. A greater than B is 10 greater than 5. 10 greater than 5 is true. And A plus plus. A plus plus what? Is a in post increment operator. So in post increment operator, what happened? The value of A not incremented first. It will just go to the memory and it will print 10. After that, it will increment it, so it will give 11. So let's check it out with result. So it will give 1. So that's it for today, guys. um in next video we will discuss about the bitwise operator. And if we if you found this helpful, then make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more coding tutorials. Thank you.